What's up, guys? So here I am today bringing you another video, and I know over the time that I've made a lot of videos, I'll have a lot of people drop comments, a lot of people message me, be like, hey, why don't you wear a mask for your airbrushing? Hey, your lungs, hey, you're gonna get really messed up because you don't wear a mask. And so, yeah. So first off, here's my collection of masks that I've used over the years and that still work. I just replace the filters or whatever when I need to. And I'm not saying get rid of these. These are still good for when you need to spray like heavy stuff and like that. But while you're airbrushing, right, it's like you're spraying such minimal amount of paint. This seems like a little bit of overkill, and to me, honestly, it really is. So that's where today's sponsor comes in. And the people over at RZ Mask, they sent over some stuff. They said, hey, you want to check it out? I'll leave links down in the video description if you like what's in here and you want to get your hands on it. Make sure you go and you check them out. Again, RZ Mask, and yeah, shout out to them for providing this stuff today. Let's open it up and see what's in here. All right, so here I got the box. Let's go ahead and open this baby up. Ooh, look, I think they hooked it up with a hat. I like that. Ooh, I'm gonna try this on real quick. Well, I like this. This is a nice like flex fit hat. Actually fits my head pretty good. And it's a nice like embroidered. Oh, this is nice. This is real nice. Appreciate it, you guys. Really like the hats. I like hats as it is. So when I get a nice one, especially all blacked out. Very nice. All right, so we have a looks like a standard active carbon filter. Filters up to 99% of all dust and air particulates, and pollution size 0.1 micron or greater. Nice. So this is just the filter, and here's the mask. That's all that we got in here. So we got the M2 model here. Filtration mask includes one mask, two filters, and a storage bag. Pretty cool. Reusable, breathable, durable, moisture wicking, replaceable filters, latex and BPA free. Cool. So anyway, let's open it up. I want to see what it looked like. What is it? What does it look? What does it do? How is it? Let's get this stuff out of here. Cool. Ooh, look, it even comes with an extension strap. Get a nice bag for it. That's cool. Very nice. Carbon, do not eat. I think this is just the thing that eats up moisture. Desiccant. Or wait, is this gonna go in the mask? Oh man, let's see what do we got here. Okay, got our mask. Oh, okay, here are the filters, I guess. Interesting. Interesting. So it's very nice, actually, like super nice construction. It kind of has a mesh over it, so it's like breathable, and then it has a filter right on over that. So anything that you breathe in will go through the mesh and then through the filter. But it also has these main filters here, this area here. So it's all kind of built in. And it comes with another filter, active carbon filter. Very nice. And then it does come with an extension strap if you have an extra big head. Please remove. Oh, satisfying peel. So one of the main reasons I don't really like using the other masks while I'm streaming and stuff, one, like I said, it feels like a little bit overkill while you're streaming. And two, while you're airbrushing, I mean, it's just having that big, thick, heavy thing. It gets hot. It's plastic, so it's just you start sweating around your face and stuff. This is more cloth. It has a nice cushion to it, and yeah, this doesn't. Hopefully, it'll be better to talk through as well, because that's the other thing is I can't wear one of those masks and then that's how everything sounds when you have one of those on. And it's not very good for when you're trying to talk to somebody or yeah, anything like that. So let's go ahead and try it on. Yeah, actually, I would say this works pretty good. Can you hear me? I still sound pretty normal. I don't sound all like when I do want to have one of those, which is pretty nice. Oh, I look like a straight up ninja. Oh, that's sick. I really like this metal piece right here too. Like it really, because it like really holds it in place. And even me with my beard, it's really like pushing the beard down. It's wrapping around my chin and making sure it seals all the way. I actually like this a lot. So yeah, I do think this is actually a pretty good addition for any airbrush artist. This is a nice, like, light and easy way of projecting yourself. Yeah, I really like this a lot. So you could wash it and everything like that. It's like, yeah, I like the way it looks and everything. So yeah, again, if you want to check them out and you want to see, get yourself one of these, make sure you go and check them out. Yeah, shout out to RZ Mask again for sending these over, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Later, everybody.